Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Bulletin Board Heroes on Tuesday, the 11th of December, here on Share Talk. Starting off with Allied Mines and a bit of consolidation here after the spike to 80 pence. That's obviously the main resistance there since September. It's two options here: one either to wait for a break of 80 or wait for the shares to find support near the 50-day moving average at 60 pence. Any dips towards that feature currently a buying opportunity on a technical basis with the stop loss back below that particular number. 90 pence the 200-day moving average, the big target over the near term. On to stock, which I don't think I've looked at here before, but Amryt Pharma. Here we've had a gap through the 50-day moving average, which is one of our favorite setups here. Looks as though we've got also a break of a falling wedge from July, so that's a second box tick there, and we've held above the 50-day line as well quite well so far. While we remain above that feature, looking for the move towards the 200-day line at 16.65, but the main message here really is Amryt looks as though it is starting to recover. On to a stock which I looked at recently, just following it up on it really. Looks like it's broken, Bison's broken this triangle consolidation that we had in the wake of the vertical move in May. If you're cautious, maybe wait for an end-of-day close or weekly close above the 2 pence level. Otherwise, at least while we're above the top of the triangle at 1.6 pence, looking for a retest of the main 3 pence resistance on this situation. Probably the best looking new situation of the day is Conroy Gold. Here we've got an extended triangle break around the 11 pence level. I probably just want to see this above the 50-day line at 11.63. But if we can do that, we'll remain above 10p in the interim. Looks as though we're heading towards the main resistance here at 15 pence initially for the shares. Another newer name here for the Bulletin Board Heroes comes in the form of Earthport, where we've broken this falling wedge at, what's that, 7 pence, one that's been in place since the beginning of the year, also above the 50-day moving average at 7.35 pence. Looking towards a journey into the September resistance area at 10 pence over the next few weeks, especially while we remain above 7 pence. Stock which comes on the radar at the moment again is Forbidden Technologies. Here we've got a rising trend channel from February, top of the channel heading for 11 pence, and while we're above the 50-day moving average at 6.4 pence, that is the technical target. Ideally we don't go back below that initial November resistance at 7 pence. Finishing off with the stock of the moment, or one of the stocks of the moment in terms of volume at least, Oilex. And interesting to note here that we now have both the 50 and 200-day moving averages rising, 50-day line just below 0.29. And as you can see for the last month, that's come in as support. So any dips towards that 0.25, 0.3 zone regarded as a technical buying opportunity. If you're cautious, maybe you wait for a break of 0.4 or 0.45 before chasing 0.7 as the ultimate target. That's it from me. More updates tomorrow.